Hey guys, so I apparently experienced a problem. I'm not sure if you guys have. Is that I tried to rename a file, but it's not going to work. See, I tried to rename this to 4 because that's my fourth video, and when I do this, it's in Chinese, but it says that the files cannot be found. Ignore the background noises here. The files cannot be found, and the reason is that because I exported the videos from CapCut here, the other version, and apparently, when I do this, and sometimes the internet, it's usually caused because the internet connection is a bit wonky, and then the system of the Windows Explorer, the file tab you see here, the file explorer, Windows Explorer, cannot sync with the CapCut because this file is exported by CapCut and it will use Windows Explorer. But if the Wi-Fi gets a bit clunky, I guess, this is just speculation, they cannot sync together. So I cannot rename the file. I can try to do it like any other way. Anyways, the way to fix this issue is very stupid. So first of all, you cannot rename this file, but you can you can modify both of these files. So you might think, okay, maybe I can do Control-C and then Control-V and try to do this, but you cannot because, again, the system cannot find this. So what do? Well, simple, because you cannot modify this file in any storage. You cannot move or copy, but you can modify anything inside. So you can Control-X this, so you can like just copy and paste this, and then you add another file which has the name of this corrupted or ghost phantom file, whatever you call it, and then you rename this file to this, and then you modify it to the name you want it to be, and then you paste it in here. Control V, and okay, wait, hold on, what's happening? Hold on a second. So you do this right, and hold on, you copy and paste this, boom. All right, and now this file is empty and all of your video content will be here. So boom, problem solved. And again, you cannot do anything. You cannot even delete this phantom file, by the way. Deleting won't work. I press the delete key. It doesn't work because the system cannot find it. So that's my solution for now. If you guys have similar problems when you're exporting videos and you realize you cannot rename the edited video file because the system cannot find it, try to use this stupid method. It could work. And apart from that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.